Special request to all the girls from north, south, east and west. From your body look good and you know you have the God bless. Rock wine.
Yeah, bless it.
To all the girls.
DCQbeats.com.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anaya French here and I'm back with another hair review. And you already know it's about this nice lime green hair that I got here, and it's by Swaggbeauty. I got this hair from Swaggbeauty, ordered it online. It was $59, $60 you guys, and it's synthetic. Yes it is. What I can say, it came in like a plastic bag. It wasn't all that extravagant. It came with a pack of wig caps, yes, 2 wig caps. It came in a pack, and it also came in like this little card, you know, Swaggbeauty and all that extra stuff. But I was like, okay, cool, it's alright, you know, whatever. Now, when I opened the sachet that it came with, I threw it out. When I opened it, I mean, what I first noticed is that I didn't like these ends. Like, I don't like these ends. Like, it like just curves this way. I don't like that. Like on the photo on the website, it's like curved like to like a bob this way, like this way. But like it just never stays this way. I don't like. It just like bothers me, and I don't know. You guys let me know if you guys like it or not. But for me, it's like I don't know. I just don't like it. I'll probably like cut it into a bob, like short up to here if I ever do wear it. What else? It's very soft. That's what I like about it. It's very soft. A little bit of tangle, but it's very soft. By the way, it's like really soft. Just brush it, like just be brushing it. It's like it's not that crazy. Like it don't tangle that much. Like all I just do is just brush it, and it'll be back like sleek and smooth. That's what, you know, I like about it. Also another thing, it wasn't that hard to do these little cute little like baby hairs or whatnot. I like to like pluck it, or like, you know, the part a little bit, because I mean it came kind of like this. I just like try to like make more space. This is the only parting space you get, right in this middle over here. I don't really wear middle parts like that. I just like put my wigs on. I just do the swoop thing. That's all I do. Like that's been my look. Like I love it like that. I just never actually did a part, but the part goes over to here. Like, you know, as you can see, it goes up to here. It's very long, so it won't make your head look like a cone or anything. It's just like really flat, really pretty. And what else I can say about this hair? I mean, so far as like, look at the pros, that is soft. It's soft. It's easy to tweeze. It's easy to do baby hairs. What else? It's a nice vibrant color. I'll also get into the color in a minute, but it's a nice vibrant color. It's like cool. It's a fun look. You just don't have to do too much with the face, because if you do too much with the face, you're gonna look cray. But yeah, like I was not trying to do no green eyeshadow, none of that. No, I'm trying to have the hair stand out and my face be like, you know, like here, bitch. Like I'm here. I'm here, honey. But yeah, that's what I could say. The cons though is the ends. I don't like how the ends like flow. Don't like that. 2, it's really shiny, but I know that there's products that you can buy that can, like, you know, dim down that shine completely. That's perfectly fine, you know. But I'm just saying, off of like me just getting the hair like brand new, fresh, you know what I mean? Like brand new and fresh, and yeah, I'm just talking it like straight out the box type stuff. So like from my point of view, like the baby hairs is not bad at all. I feel like everything is fine but the shine and the ends. But hey, it's synthetic and it's $60, so what do you expect, right? But yeah, that's all for today. This hair is by Swaggbeauty. They're a black-owned business, so we gotta support the black-owned businesses, y'all. We gotta support that support the black-owned businesses. I'm always having tongue twisters. But yeah, support the black-owned businesses. You already know this is Anaya French here. And y'all, I'm back with all the hair tutorials. And what all my channels about is what? Hair, fashion, beauty. Here's the back. Here's the back of it though. Here's the back of it. No track showing. You ready now? But yeah, subscribe to my channel, you guys. And I am going to do more videos on this. Well, on hair, of course. But you know what? You gotta make sure you subscribe though so you can see all my videos. And so you can love me more. You already know this is Anaya French here. And I'm over and out.